Hello and welcome to the second episode of the Story Slam series. This is Bhavya. I'm here with another story which is written by Shilpa Samantha. Life is sullen without colors. The environment adores such a beauty because of the vibrant shades and hues. Holi, the festival of colors, adds a little tint to our droop lives. But have you ever wondered what is the story that lies behind the celebration of this festival? Well, there's a tale. This tale is with respect to the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu in Hindu mythology. The demon king Hiranyakashipu was burning in fire because he wanted to take revenge from Lord Vishnu, who had killed Hiranyakashipu's elder brother Hiranyaksha. Hiranyakashipu's idea of revenge was to become the most powerful amongst all the three loks, the Swarglok, the Patal Lok and the Nark Lok. In order to gain that power, he went into deep meditation in order to impress Lord Brahma. After years long of meditation, he was finally able to do so. And Lord Brahma blessed him with the powers that gave him a kind of immortality. He could not be killed in the day or in the night, indoors or outdoors, or in any of the loks, or with weapons. Now this power made him very egoistic. He forced all the people of his kingdom to only worship him and not Lord Vishnu. He destroyed all the Vishnu temples. But to his utter disappointment, his only son Prahlad turned out to be one of the greatest worshippers of Lord Vishnu. This killed Hiranyakashipu from inside. He made many attempts to kill Prahlad, but he failed. At the end, he requested his sister Holika to kill Prahlad. Holika had a boon that she could pass a fire unburnt. So, she took Prahlad on her lap and sat in fire. Do you think something happened to Prahlad? No. Why? Because he was the worshipper of Lord Vishnu. But Holika was completely burnt. Because she did not know that those mantras would work only if she worshipped Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu now knew that nothing could kill Prahlad. After a year long of the days being passed, Hiranyakashipu was also killed by the fourth avatar of Lord Vishnu, known as Narasimha, the man-lion avatar of him. Hiranyakashipu was killed because of his sins. It could be seen that his head was lying on the thigh of Narasimha and his belly was torn apart. The incident that happened with Holika inspired us to celebrate the festival of Holi. It derived its name from Holika. A day prior to the celebration of Holi with colors, people celebrate Holika Dahan, in which they light a sacred fire in order to burn the evil powers around us. And the next day, they play with colors with their family and friends in order to celebrate joy and happiness. Thank you from Team Kindle. A very happy Holi.